Hello, beautiful people. So we're going to be doing some breaking today, just like the foundations and yeah, everything I know. Top rock, get downs, footwork, some freezes. We're going to do this in half an hour, so as much as I can teach you in half an hour. So I want to make sure that you have enough space around you. Just do a quick leg arm check. You might, I've hit this many times, so much so it's broken. But hey, that's doing dance classes at home. So as long as nothing in your way, you've got a drink, you feel good, we can start. So let's warm up. Let's do some top rock. Let's do some Indian step. So you're gonna count 1 and step out on the 2, and you're gonna step your foot, move back, in front of the other. Yeah? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're just gonna do that to the music a bit faster. Ready? So you always hold 1 and step out on the even, because in breaking hip hop music, there's a boom and a cap. Step out on the cap. The music's changed a little bit. Boom, cap, boom, cap, boom, cap, boom, cap. When you're doing this, I'm just going to slow it down for you. You're kind of doing a little jump backwards when you do it fast. Step out forwards. So you're shifting your weight forwards. Come back. Step forwards. The heel comes off the ground, yeah? To the beat. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, cap, boom, cap. Gonna turn back around. Your arms opening out, presenting yourself to your opponent, coming back in when you come back in. So you're dancing on the ball of your foot. I'm going to stop and show you what I mean. This little bit of your foot is where you should mainly dance. It helps bring the weight forwards. It helps you dance faster. We're going to carry on with this step. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to get more aggressive with it. Cover more ground. Really pull yourself forwards with your arms. Imagine you've got to stamp down in front of you. Stamping down. You can, if you want to, this arm swinging, it's getting a bit monotonous, a bit boring, a bit samey, change it up. Do a little pose. With your arms, just got to be creative. Do your own thing. All right, we're going to do the same step, but behind. So keep leaning forwards. Keep dancing on the ball of your foot. You're going to step behind. Tap. If you're wondering what music I'm playing, some break beats. It's a DJ called DJ Fleg. F-L-E-G. You can find them on YouTube, SoundCloud. Got some great mixes. Just adults, check them if the little ones just need a little bit of, guidance, because some hip hop can be a little bit explicit. Still going behind. What we're going to do, we're going to touch the floor like that and go down. Make sure you're bending your knees. I think we're warm now, but maybe just one more step, come up. We're just going to do crisscross. So this one's a nice easy one. You're just going across, out, cross, out, yeah? Then we'll stretch, then we'll learn some more stuff. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, cross, out, cross, cross. It's a bit too slow. Should we go a bit faster? You ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, all time. On the ball of your foot. Do whatever with your arms. Shall we stretch? Because we're warm. Always stretch when you're warm, yeah? Circle the head one way and the other way. Look over to one side. Look over to the other side. Tilt your neck over to one side. Maybe give it a little stretch. And then the other side. Cool. Circle your shoulders. Do a little kind of bend in the knee to the music. Then we're going to circle them forwards. Ready? Forwards. And then after a few more, we're going to circle our whole arms back. Ready? And then circle them forwards. Then we're going to lean over and stretch over to one side. Stretch. And then carry on the stretch. Turn your legs. And you're leaning forward, stretching like this. Coming down. Coming into the middle. Stretching over to this side. Then up. Then over again. Coming back up. Then we're rolling all the way around, rolling our torso. All the way around one way, and then back the other way. Feet together. Gonna bend forwards and hang down. Then you're gonna bend your knees and come down into squat. Sit. Come forwards onto the balls of your feet. You're gonna take one leg out, stretch it down, and then swap the other side. Stretch down. Sit. Cool. So we're gonna do a few more stretches, then a few more top rocks, get downs, footwork, freeze. So legs are very important to stretch. Stretch the thigh. Make sure you're looking at a spot in front of you. You can hold your ear, take your arm out, push your hand into your foot and your foot into your hand. Stretch that thigh. This muscle is called a quad. And that's what you want to be stretching. Other side. Then lean back, so push your hips back, stretch your leg. Bend one leg, straighten the other. Then swap. Big lunge. Straighten up. And again. And straighten up. If you can't touch the floor, it's okay. Straddle. Down. Other side. Big lunge. Stretch up. Lunge. Stretch up. Come back to the centre. And forwards. Plank. Very important. Lower yourself down on your tummies. Push up. Bit of up dog. Your feet are flat on the floor like this. And down dog. Then on all fours, push your back up and let it drop. Up. Let it drop. Bridge. Come back down. Shoulder stand. Maybe keep your head straight and let your legs come over. Don't knee yourself in the face. Then roll back down. Come up. Try to hold. Try to balance. Balance in a V. Then straddle. Legs together. Okay. We'll do a little bit more stretching at the end. So a bit more top rock. We're going to do salsa step. This is in my other videos as well. but I'm going to really break it down in this one because this is for the younger guys. So, let's go. You've got kick, step on the foot that you've kicked with, step out with the other foot. Kick, step on the foot that you've kicked with, step out. A salsa step. Kick, replace, step out. Kick, replace, step out. Your arms come forwards and out if you want. Forwards and out. Not too big of a step. Keep it small. Also, when you're kicking, you can do like a little kick hop if you want, or just keep it simple. Yeah? You can just place it, or you can do like a little hop. Depends on how you're feeling and what the music is saying, always. And that's the thing with breaking. You've always got to listen to the music. Make sure you're on beat. That's why you're a B-girl or a B-boy, yeah? Make sure you're on beat. So we're doing it half time. So to get in time with the music, to speed up, we're going to speed it up a little bit. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, and boom, tap, tap, hold. Boom, tap, tap, hold. Boom, tap, tap, hold. We're going to do it continuously in a minute, just so you can get accustomed with the step, if you aren't already. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, tap, tap, boom, tap, tap, boom, tap, tap, boom, tap, tap. Keep the steps small. Keep on the ball of your feet, so you can move quickly. Make it chill, or quite aggressive. Everyone all right? I hope that's a yeah. Wait, you're there. Let's take this step around, yeah? Let's go back with it. So kick, step, back. Kick, replace the foot, step back. Kick, replace the foot, step back. Back. Kick, step, back. Kick, step, back. Kick, step, back. Kick, step, back. Bit faster. 5, 6, 7, and. You can double it. Step, step slowly. Kick, step, double, double. Kick, step, double, double. Kick, double, double. Fast. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, enough of that. So, let's do some get downs, yeah? Because we've done Indian step, we've done it behind, we've done crisscross, and we've done salsa. These are all like the basic foundation steps. Let's do some get down onto the floor. So, basic, classic get down, like corkscrew, lean forwards, take the foot behind, quite a reasonable space, like about a foot. Pivot onto the balls of your feet. When you're about here, you need to lean this front leg down so that it comes onto the side of the foot so that your legs don't get all twisted up. So that this leg goes down to the floor and you end like this, ready for 6 step, which is something we will be learning. That one, 6 step, it's like a foundation one which we'll learn. So again, corkscrew, kind of down, yeah? So whichever foot you're most comfortable on, there'll be a side which is your preference. Doesn't matter which one. Step behind, twist, 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 pivot. Let this front leg drop down. Bam, you're down. Okay, back up. Coming back up. All right, some B-boys have come onto the telly. I'm just going to stop them and put a better mix on. This is a chance for you to go and get a drink. Please go and get a drink or have a drink. I will have one too. Alright, so we did the corkscrew down, and now we're going to do it back up. So again, you've got to kind of lean forwards, have your hands either side to help you balance, push forward, push up with your legs, and then push this front one into the back one, pivot, 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 come all the way back round, and then you've got to replace that foot so that you're not like that. Alright, so that was like corkscrew up and down. Let's do another get down. So let's do broken leg, I think it's called. Don't break your leg. So we're kicking that way, away from us. Boom. Putting the leg, kind of hooking it behind, but then pushing it down onto the floor. You don't drop onto the foot because that's quite savage. You put that foot down quickly while you're going down. So it gives the illusion that you're dropping onto your foot. So let's try that again. So you've got kick, not too violently, not like ah, just, you know, nice little kick, flexed foot, always flexed foot in breaking, okay? No pointed toes, it's more gymnastic-y. Flexed foot, bam. Bending that leg, taking that foot behind, going down. You could come back up the way that we came back up through corkscrew. Just be careful of your knees. All right, another get down. Let's do, oh, I like this one. It's a bit tricky though. Right, it's knee coming down. This knee is coming in. You don't actually have to put your knee on the floor, but if you've got nice squishy carpet and your knees are okay, you can. So you're putting your knee on the floor. This back leg, you're leaning into this, the strongest arm, strongest hand, putting that hand down, kind of turning and tucking that leg under. It looks like this fast, yeah? Looks very slick, but slowly again. So you just come out of your nice top rock, just been doing some cool stylish top rock, and then you make sure there's enough space so that this leg can come in, or this leg can come in, whichever you're most comfortable, yeah? Find the right side that feels good for you. Come in, lean onto the front hand, and push back so that you're kind of pivoting on this front foot, right? So you're pivoting, pushing, this leg's coming round and tucking under. Has to tuck under you. And then you've got to lean forwards, push your hips forwards to come round. Okay, those are 3 funky get downs for y'all. So with breaking, it takes time. Some of you watching this video might already have all this stuff, and this just might be a nice recap for you. Some of you might be completely beginners. Be patient, you have to build up strength. It's really good to do plank every day. I say this in all my videos. If you do plank, strengthens the whole of your body. And other sit-ups, press-ups, all of that good stuff, okay? It really helps with your balancing and your weight transference and everything that you need for dancing, okay? So don't worry if you don't get stuff straight away. You have to be patient. So this is a position for footwork in breaking that you need to be cool with. So I'm on my tippy toes, well, the balls of my feet. I'm kind of sitting on my heels. I'm just going to do a little exercise. We're going to take our hands out. We're going to put one down and then the other. You're putting your hands straight down, and wherever you are in footwork, try and keep your hands close to your body like this, okay? We're going to do something where we push our hips out and put your hand down, okay? So you're pushing your hips forwards. Pushing the hips forwards and different movements helps you a lot. Just like how we just did that get down now. This one, pushing your hips forwards helps you turn around. Lots of, you need your hips for lots of movements, okay? That's why this training, exercise will help you. And your balance will come in time, okay? Same thing, we're going to do this, but we're going to push out a leg. So, sticking out one leg, can you even see me? There we go. but I will do another video with anything that I have left out. So you want to do this quicker. The quicker, the better. Should we try quick? Ready? You kind of got to flick that foot forwards and really push your hips forward to replace. Oh, it's tiring after so much lockdown. So let's do 6-step. People teach it from either here or here. So the 6 steps. I'm going to teach it from here. So you're gonna go, if you don't already know, that rhymes well. Lean over, same hand, same leg, cross, step, this one that is bent back. Step it out, step it across to replace the hand, step behind, back to the beginning. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back to number 1 again. Notice there is same pattern each side. Again, 1, 2, only 1 hand down. 3, again, only 1 hand down. 4, you've got 2 hands down. Your knees are bent. Don't have your bum in the air. Knees down. 4. So 5, you kind of turn your hip so that you can step. And it's the side of your foot treading down where the hand was. Put your hand somewhere else. Step behind. Ooh, never over, okay? So step behind, don't ever step over. And then this is probably the hardest bit in the 6th step. You've got to push up and tuck under. Okay, 6th step, fast. Or the other way. You can go the other way as well. Practice the other way, might as well. So we're here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that way. Practice both sides. If you're really serious about breaking, or you just love breaking, you want to get super strong, practice both sides, nice and slow in the beginning, nice and placed, and concentrate on your weight transference. And then once you've got it and you're confident and you're feeling good, faster and faster. And then it really helps with all of your other footwork. Yay! Couple of other little footwork thingies. We've got, let's do coffee grinder, helicopter, 1 step. If you've already got this, try and do it backwards. Try and do both sides, either way, I'll show you. So first of all, teach coffee grinder, 1 step, helicopter, whatever you want to call it. We're down again. Should we just stretch out for a minute actually after 6 steps? Just stretch your legs. Come back down. All right, so it's all about weight transference. Take the leg you want to jump over out in front of you. Yeah. This one's going to stay straight. This one's going to come around. It's going to jump over. You're going to twist your hips and bring the leg around. And it's the twisting of the hips that allows the leg to come around, okay? So, a bit faster you say. So imagine I'm here, taking my leg out, jumping round, lifting up. It's also your hands helping you bring it through and round. So first of all, you're bringing your weight forwards here, jumping over, then you're pushing back, twisting your hips so your leg can come round. Slower, 1 more time. So don't worry if you don't get it first time. It took me a while. It took me a while to get everything. I was a really slow learner, so because I started breaking in my 20s. So if you're a child and you're doing this, let's just stretch out, then, well, you were doing it earlier than me. So the leg's coming out. You're going to lean over to this side, bring that leg, step over it, turn your hips, come forwards and then push back so that you can bring your leg round. I'll do it from the back so you can see from behind as well. So, bringing the leg round, stepping over, twisting, bringing it round again. Faster, bit closer. Or other leg. Let's do other leg. Bringing it out, taking it round, stepping over, twist, bring it round. This way. Okay, both legs. Forward, forwards, backwards, and then the other side, forwards, backwards. Ready? So if you've got this, easy peasy, try and get this. Backwards. Well, once you know like your body and where it needs to be, it's easier to work it out. So only try backwards if you've got forwards. Just quickly teach you backwards. So you're bringing round like this. So let's do the other leg. Bringing it out behind and forwards. It's actually maybe easier. So forward and then backwards. Bringing it out in front, starting out in front. Swinging it away from you, leaning forwards. Again, bringing it through. All this takes a lot of arm strength, but you can always build up your arm strength by doing it. Just be careful not to injure yourself. If you feel pain, stop what you're doing, take a break, try again another day if you want to. Okay, no one's forcing you to feel pain. Just try to, get the strength. All right. So let's do 3-step. So this is a nice one. Obviously 3 steps. Let's start like out here. You're gonna jump on your left foot, kick out with your right, then swap, then go over to your back, jump out. Go onto your left foot again. So left foot, onto your left foot, so kick out your right, kick out your left, come to the front, out. Again, so kick your right foot out, right, left, back, out, right, left, front, out, left, tap, boom, flip, tap, boom, boom, back, boom, back. So that's one side. So you're always going on a cross, yeah? So you're always jumping out of your legs, kick, kick, out, kick, kick, out. Just make sure you've got those nice angles, okay, when you're doing it. So the other way, we'll go with our left foot first. Kicking the left foot, kicking the right, that way. Kick, kick, out. 2 hands down. Hand down, leg out. Swap. So that then you can go to the back now. Out. Kick, kick, out. Kick, kick, out. All the time, keep your legs quite bent. Don't lock your knees. It's quite hectic, it's quite hard. It's quite a workout. So, just take it easy. Let's have a stretch. Just loosen off. Let's sit down and stretch. Have your legs out in front. Stretch them out this way. And then this way. Okay, some freezes. Yeah, freezes. So, when you're doing freezes, it really is about the alignment, just like all dancing, but you've got to be really careful. So, freeze I'm going to teach you, it's baby freeze. You've got to have a right angle with your arm. Be on the strongest arm. Yeah, the right angle is a nice corner. It's got to be super strong. So, you're going to take this arm, it's called a stab. Sorry for the wording, but you're going to stab your elbow into your side. So like your hip bone, it's like just in from your hip bone, so you can feel it. Your legs are going to be open like this. Your other hand is going to support you.
and then your head. You're going to have a triangle, okay? You're going to lean forwards, have your fingers facing forwards, push forwards, put your head down, and try to balance your body onto your arm, like this. But turn the way that your arm is, that's not the supporting arm, like this. Once you've got that and you're okay with that, then you want to try and lift. And if that's not enough, there's more. So, nice baby freeze, show you different angles. Coming forwards. You've got that, you've got the lift, now you need the turn and the forwards. So the turn is where you have your opposite leg pushing forwards onto your elbow. And that's how you bring it forwards. That's quite a lot, it's quite hard, yeah? So just take it in stages. Other more chilling freezes, you just got, typical shoulder freeze. Shoulder stand freeze first of all, then we'll do shoulder freeze. So let's try a shoulder stand. Let's do something funky with our legs. Or, there we go. Nice freeze. Okay? Basically with breaking, once you know the foundations, you can make up your own stuff. You can make your own really complex, contorted, funky shapes with your legs, with your arms. So, you come up like this, put a leg up, maybe turn it like this. If you can balance on one hand, make some nice shapes with your body. I want you to try and experiment. Look in the mirror, think of all the different shapes you could make. Scorpion, like a down dog, but then bring your leg up, look under. Different shapes with your legs, just to practice them on the floor. Got jazz splits, yeah? It's not actual splits. One leg is straight, flex foot. The other leg is like that shape. So that's jazz splits. You can do this shape up in the air. Another shape you can do with your legs. So keep your feet flexed, like a zigzag. You can do this up in the air. You can do this. So some of my freezes, I need to hold them, and I've held them by doing this shape. It's like square and then straight. Do that in the air. You can make all different shapes with your legs, yeah? And as long as you do them in some kind of funky way, it's all good. Okay, shoulder freeze. Never start on the ground, start with your knees up. You're gonna thread your arm through, leaning down onto your shoulder. Other hand comes like this, you can see your head through. You lift up, walk round so that your legs are by this arm that's pushing down. Lift up one leg, lift up the other. If you feel unstable, bring your legs a little bit further round. Then you can do some cool shapes here, or like this. Way. So, flick ups and stuff like what I just did are really good to practice on the trampoline with an adult supporting you. It's always good to do bridges. The more bridges you do, crabs, the more flexible and strong your back will be. It's also just really good to do a bridge every day because it makes you super strong, okay, as well as a plank. So other freezes, you got your handstands, you got your forearm freezes. You can do these up against the wall. Forearm freeze, put your arm down, make sure again it's a 90-degree angle, like that. Other arm supporting, looking through, kicking up, try and hold. I find straddle easier to hold, but I have been doing this for like 10 years, so well, a bit longer. Handstand stuff.
try to just practice handstands again, another one. Another classic conditioning move that will help you in your breaking and just everyday life with your strength and stuff. So when you're doing handstands, practice up against a wall. Make sure your arms are straight and strong. The only way you can hurt yourself in a handstand is if your arms buckle or do this. So first of all, maybe practice a plank, straight arm plank, so that you've got strong, straight arms, hands directly beneath your shoulders, arms straight. Gently look back, kick up. This is really good practice if you're scared in the beginning to kick all the way up. It's just by holding this plank. I do this every day just for my own strength and confidence within a handstand. Kicking up, coming back down. You could just literally do that. The more confidence you have with your own body weight, which means the more you find it easier of knowing how much you weigh and you're confident doing different moves because you know your own body weight, and the easier different moves and different variations of that move will be. So, in other words, I know I can hold a handstand, so I'll show you. Holding a handstand. Eventually. So once I can hold a handstand, I know that now I can maybe change the shape in my legs. So I actually find a straddle easier to hold. I'll show you. Kind of. So with all the breaking kind of stuff, so whereas gymnastics is all really straight, breaking, we change the shape and we make it cool and contorted. So your handstand would become an invert, which would be like this. So you have to push your head through your arms and stick your hips out like this. Well, kind of. You get the idea. It's good to do it against the wall. Not sticking stuff today. Haven't been doing much in isolation. It's difficult when you haven't got that space, that dance space, to be able to practice, and the motivation of people around you. But as long as you do something, do a bit of exercise, like I say in all my videos, plank, handstands, bridges. Obviously, I'm a yogini. I do yoga every day to try and keep up my flexibility and my strength. This is something you should do too. But whatever inspires you, just keep moving, keep watching these videos. Let's have a little stretch now, okay? So you're gonna bring your arms up, stretch, roll them away, forward fold. Look up, step back, lower down, push up, sun salute, finish back. Step back forwards with the other foot. Back to the beginning. Stretch up. Circle your arms round and down, circle your shoulders. Stand with your legs hip width apart. Take your hands out in front. Pull your shoulders forwards. Bring your arms up. Push your shoulders down. Take them away from you. Pull your shoulders back. And then let go. Okay, thank you for watching my video. I hope I've inspired you. Keep moving, and you can always freestyle, okay? So if any of the stuff you get frustrated with doesn't feel right for you, don't worry about it. Just put on some music that inspires you and just move your body in the way that you want to move it. Just be careful, don't hurt yourself. You don't want to get injured. Yeah? Cool. Take care, everybody. Goodbye.